Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to uninstall and completely delete an apps from your Windows 10 laptop. So let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is to simply come to the bottom right here. Click on here where you see type here to search. Simply click on that and type in control panel and press enter on your keyboard just like so. It takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on programs. Then it take you right here. Click on uninstall a program. Just like so, it take you to this particular page. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down, and then here, this is where you need to search for the particular app that you want to uninstall from your Windows laptop. So on getting to this page, so let's for instance, I want to uninstall this one right here. So I'm going to simply select on it. Having select on it, then you come to the top right here, click on uninstall, and this message here is going to simply pop up. Are you sure you want to completely remove this particular software and all of its components? Simply click on yes, and then in a few seconds it's going to prepare, and just like so, then the apps has been successfully removed. And then by the time you go to your I'm going to simply click on OK right here. So by the time we refresh, and then the apps is going to be completely removed from your Windows PC. So you can see the apps is no longer here anymore. So basically, this is how to simply delete and uninstall a programs completely from your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.